How to reset App Store balance to $0 on iPhone. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into Safari. Once you're in the home page, in the search bar, search for support.apple.com. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now choose your device that you're using. Let me choose iPhone. Once you're in this page, scroll down and in the section of Get Support, you have to click on Start Now. Once you're in this page, now what you want to do is scroll down and click on More. Head over to App Store. Once you're in this page, you have to head over to Subscription and Password and then click on Unable to Purchase. Now tap on Continue. It will land you on this page. In this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see the option of Live Chat. Click on it. Now in this page, you will have to fill up your information: first name, surname, your email address, and at the bottom, in additional details, you have to make a request that you want to make your balance to $0. Once you have entered, at the bottom, tap on Submit, and after that, within 24 hours, your Apple account balance will be $0 and it will be resetted. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.